Okay, real talk. Have you ever come home with a gorgeous container of strawberries, only to have them turn into sad, mushy blobs 2 days later? But I've finally cracked the code. Let me show you how I keep my strawberries fresh for a full 5 days, using something fancy sounding but super simple, Ball Fruit Fresh Produce Protector. Yep, no more strawberry funerals in my kitchen. All right, let's get into it. First, I grab my essentials. Strawberries, obviously, a glass mixing bowl, paper towels, a spider strainer, which I'm obsessed with, by the way. It makes me feel like a kitchen ninja. And my magic dust, aka Ball Fruit Fresh Produce Protector. Oh, and don't forget press and seal wrap, aka the cling wrap that actually listens. Now, I pour 2 cups of cold water into my mixing bowl and stir in 4 teaspoons of the protector powder. I personally love using my hand whisk here. It's oddly satisfying, but hey, if you don't have one, just grab a fork and channel your inner culinary MacGyver. It gets the job done just fine. Then in go the strawberries. Let them have a little 5-minute spa moment. I imagine mine lounging around in tiny cucumber eye masks while I get the next step ready. After their soak, I scoop them out with my trusty spider strainer and give them a nice rinse under cold water. Gotta get that spa water off, you know? Oh, and did I mention how much I love that strainer? I use it for everything. Pasta, blanching veggies, saving rogue Lego pieces from the sink. Kidding, sort of. Next, I line a baking sheet with a few layers of paper towels and gently lay the strawberries down. Then I give them a little pat dry with another towel. No berry squishing, okay? Or honestly, just let them hang out and air dry, because that's what I usually do when I'm not in a rush. Once they're nice and dry, I move them into a clean glass bowl, seal the top with press and seal, and pop it in the fridge. That's it. Done. High five. These beauties will stay juicy and happy for a solid 5 days. Honestly, you'd think I had a strawberry patch in my fridge. They look that fresh. Lately, I've been totally obsessed with my Bentgo Bowls. Seriously, where have they been all my life? I use them to prep all my fruits and veggies for the week. They're also amazing for salads. Each one holds 6.75 cups, which is basically a personal salad bar. If you're curious, I'll drop a link in the description below. So next time you accidentally go berry crazy at the store, don't worry, I won't judge. I do it too. You'll have this little trick up your sleeve. And if you're in the mood to whip up something special with your gloriously fresh strawberries, check out my next video, Strawberry Buttercream Frosting. It's pink, fluffy, and just as extra as we like it. If you try this trick, drop a comment and tell me how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friend who always complains their berries go bad. We're keeping fruit fabulous over here. See you next time.